I'ma just walk a little more. How you doing, Miss? How you doing? You from Grand Rapids?
No.
You're not from Grand Rapids? I love the city. This is the best, right?
Text me, just say Jay. What up, bro?
Talk to you, yeah. What up, bro? Happy Saturday, man. Happy Saturday. Yeah, I'm just chilling, doing a little video for YouTube.
Yeah, I seen y'all before.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. I do this all Saturday, man.
Yeah.
I love your fit.
I appreciate it.
ridiculous.
Hey, you already know. I gotta keep it fresh.
Clean, bro.
Gotta do that. Gotta do that. Happy Saturday. Grand Rapids the best, right?
Oh, for sure, bro.
It's the best city, ain't it?
Ever.
Hey, yo, we gotta blow. We gotta get up there. We gotta make more money.
Yeah.
More money, right?
That's what we talking about.
That's what we talking about, right? You guys be
We were
easy.
just talking about.
You guys be easy.
Hey, man. When the city come together,
Okay.
everything will be better.
All right. I love it. Take care. So I'm downtown Grand Rapids, man. I can show you more. The city is good. Everybody's good. Happy Saturday, bro. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. How you guys doing? Grand Rapids the best, right? Ain't it? You love the city, right? I'm doing a little YouTube video, man. I do this every Saturday, man. There you go. Hey, we might go viral on this motherfucker. Alright, take care. Alright. So I'm gonna go across the street real quick. You already see what's going on, man. I do this every day. Hell. Happy Saturday, bro. So we out here. We downtown. This is Apple right here. People come out and chant. Talk to other people. I do this every Saturday. What up, brother, man? How you doing? I see the camera out there doing your thing. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. I do a little YouTube video. Talking about Grand Rapids and stuff like that. You from Grand Rapids?
Yeah.
Alright, you having fun tonight?
Yeah, I was at a wedding reception, then I came down here.
Oh yeah? I'm just jamming too. I'm doing a little video for YouTube. You live out here though, right?
Right.
It's the best city, ain't it? It's the best city, ain't it? It's the best city, ain't it?
Oh, one of them.
Alright. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. You guys good? You from Grand Rapids?
No.
Where you guys from? I'm doing video. I do YouTube videos and stuff. You from what?
Detroit.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Yo, we chilling, Dunce. Grand Rapids the best, ain't it?
Nah.
You don't think
I
so?
love the city. I love Detroit.
It's money out here though.
Money in the city.
Hey, I'm not from it. I'm from West Africa, by the way. I'm from Liberia. Yeah, I just moved out here and
What
shit.
brought you over here?
I live out here though now. I'm working. You know what I'm saying? I'm working.
I'm also somebody working.
Yeah. And I hope you guys don't mind being in the video. I hope you on camera shot. Oh shit, there we go. Grand Rapids, baby. She from Detroit, by the way. I mean, you from where again? Yo. Hey, this video gonna go viral. Just mess with you guys. You guys the best. I'm telling you. Oh man. Oh yeah. Look at this man right here. Oh look at this man. Oh shit. There we go. Do your thing. You guys be good. I appreciate talking to you guys. Nice meeting you guys. Yes, sir, bro. I'm just doing a video. I'm just talking about Grand Rapids. I'm gonna walk down more. How you guys doing? Happy Saturday, by the way. You guys from here? I'm doing videos. I do YouTube videos and stuff like that. I do YouTube videos and stuff like that from West Africa, by the way.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so I'm just doing a YouTube video to take it back.
Okay.
So I'm saying how the city is.
Oh, wow.
You guys from here, right?
Yes.
Word. How long you guys been living? Your whole life?
Whole life.
I be telling people Grand Rapids is the best place to be. Don't believe it. I love being like I got.
It's okay.
It's money on it though. I hope you don't camera shy.
No.
Nah, all right. But yeah, you're good. You what? You not camera presentable. What do you mean? You look better than I am.
Did you go to the African festival today?
That's why I come over here and recording right now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but yo, you guys be good. I'm gonna make more videos, keep walking around more, all right?
Okay.
All right, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. All right, this Grand Rapids, by the way. Yo, Pop, what you selling right there? That look good. What you selling? What's that? What you guys selling? Huh? Oh yeah? That look great. You made it? I'm doing video for YouTube. Yeah. I'm just talking about the food. Yeah, you guys be good. This is the price right here, right? All right, check it out. Grand Rapids got good food, and I'm a JD Life video. Yeah, and we talking about the food. right, look it up. Appreciate it. You guys be good. God bless. See? They got some good foods. Grand Rapids the best. The best was to be a fruit bar right here. And the fruit lady looks so great. I'm telling you. Hey, stay tuned for Grand Rapids, the best city ever. Stay tuned for Grand Rapids, the best city ever. Stay tuned for Grand Rapids. Alright? Go. I'm gonna walk them all down here. They got food over here too. We're gonna walk them all. People dancing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get in it. Let's go. How you doing? How you doing? Happy Saturday, bro. Happy Saturday. Alright? Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. Alright, how you doing, bro? What you selling over here, son? Huh? Oh yeah? Jamaican stuff? Hawaii? Yo! I'm doing a YouTube video, man. I'm doing a YouTube video. You mind saying hi and stuff like that?
Oh, okay, yeah. We got the same dice for ice cream in the middle. We got
Okay.
different sizes, regular and large. They're pretty big, pretty good. We got a bunch of different flavors and candy and all.
That's
That's all it is.
Yo, my man will hook you up if you want some good ass little shit, whatever that. Bro, he talking about some good shit. Come over here. Yo, happy Saturday, brother, man. Hey, you the best. I wish I could buy something, but I can't right now. I'm doing a little video. I'm keep moving. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. Happy Saturday, bro. God bless you, man. Big up. Hey, yo, we doing a YouTube video, man. I'm out here. Happy Saturday, by the way, guys. Happy Saturday. How you doing? So, I'm kind of sweating right now. How you guys doing? Happy Saturday. Oh, there go my girls right there. Yo. You guys the best. Yo, pretty as hell. I can see that. But we're gonna walk more, you know what I mean? We'll go down a little more down over here. I'm gonna shut the camera down a little bit. Scan this bitch like you. Go over here. Alright. I'm not here. Alright. Okay. Grand Rapids the best. Okay. Alright. Yo, everybody jamming, man. I love Grand Rapids. But I'm gonna bring a little more. Got these over there. I'm gonna keep walking a little more. Go. Happy Saturday, Pop. Happy Saturday. Go. I'm going to the park right now. We're a little more. Happy Saturday, Pop. Happy Saturday. All right, have a good day. Happy Saturday. Ooh, Grand Rapids is the best. Look at her. Oh, look. And you know this, man. And you know this, man. But yo, we just telling Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, by the way. Happy Saturday, by the way. And this is Grand Rapids, man. I'm gonna just walk around the park more up, you know what I'm saying? Do a little bit of recording. See our gym right there, look. All right. Okay. Don't stop now. The camera's on you. Don't stop now. Hey. Happy Saturday, by the way. How you guys doing? Hey. Okay. Happy Saturday, yo. Happy Saturday. The camera's on you guys a little bit. I hope you don't mind. Hey. All right. Hey, you see how jamming? Hey, don't stop. The camera's on you. I'm telling you. Happy Saturday, by the way. I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm doing a YouTube video. Happy Saturday. Oh, go. Okay. I got you guys a whole video right now. Happy Saturday, Grand Rapids the best. Happy Saturday, hey. Do that shit. Okay. All right, guys, you guys have a good time. I'll make my video go viral. Yeah. But how you doing, sir? How you doing? Happy Saturday, guys. Hey, happy Saturday. How you doing, man? How you doing? Yeah, we just talking. Happy Saturday, guys. How you guys doing? Happy Saturday. Hope you want to be on my video. Happy Saturday, guys. Doing a little video for YouTube. All right, that's my dude right there. See what I'm saying? He gave me that little rock sound. Rock on, baby. That mean rock on. You guys take it easy, okay? Have a good day. Happy Saturday. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm just chilling, man. Happy Saturday, man. You good? I ain't got a dollar, but I'm doing a video. I'm sorry. I wish I had a dollar in my pocket. I would have given it to you. All right? God bless you. Have a good day, all right? Happy Saturday. Yep. Yeah, happy Saturday, man. Guys, check my video out. Subscribe, like. You know what I mean? How you guys doing? Happy Saturday, by the way. You guys looking beautiful. You too, bro. You the best. Look at him. That's my dude right there. I like him already. I like him already. Yeah, but I'm saying we just walking downtown Grand Rapids. What up, GG? You good? All right, holding it down? You holding it down, all right? My man holding it down. You know what I'm saying? My man holding it down. But we're going to keep walking. Are we been out down that way? I talk to a lot of people. How you guys doing? Happy Saturday, right? Rock on, right? Rock on. Y'all having a good time? Bro, I love that hat, bro. Hold on. Let me see that hat right there. Yo, he's crazy for that one, man. I'm gonna go viral. Y'all got that one? But yeah, we go chilling. I like this hat. His hat had a little thing on the back, like a tree. How you guys doing, bro? You good? Happy Saturday, right? Yes, sir. You too, bro. God bless. But his hat had a little. His hat had a little thing on the back of it. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy woo. Happy Saturday, guys. Happy Saturday. Rock on, but we're gonna walk down more, check stuff out. But his hat had little things in the video. How you guys doing? Happy Saturday. You good? I'm doing a video for you too. She camera shot. Birthday girl's camera shot like a mug. Come, happy birthday, girl. You finna go viral. Happy birthday, girl. You know you like this. Grand Rapids the best, ain't it? You guys having fun?
Yes.
All right.
How's your night?
I'm just chilling. Subscribe, like my channel, and as I do this every Saturday. I'm taking this video back to West Africa. Hope you guys won't mind.
West Africa? West
Yeah.
Africa?
No, you're not from West Africa.
I am.
What part?
Sierra Leone.
I'm from Liberia.
Yeah.
Oh, no, she didn't. But we just chilling. Happy to meet you guys. Know what I'm saying? Keep up your energy. I like all you guys' energy. Happy birthday. You the birthday girl? Happy birthday. This video gonna go viral just for you. And you guys have a good daily life video. Yeah, daily life. You probably daily life video gonna wrap this. You probably see my ugly face on that. But yeah, we stay recording. I'm gonna keep it walking. Check the channel out. You guys be easy, okay?
Okay.
Yo, God bless. God bless. But bro, you holding it down? You gonna hold it down for us, baby? It's one of you, the one G we got. I'm recording, do a video and shit for you too.
I appreciate you.
Appreciate you. Want mind talking my camera a little more?
So what?
You from here? You from Grand Rapids?
I'm from New York, bro. From the
Bro, I
Bronx.
like your whole style, bro.
From the Bronx, bro.
That's why I can mess with you. That's why I can mess with you.
From the Bronx.
Yeah, bro, hold it down. All
I
right.
always hold it down.
Yeah, one love, man.
One love,
All
man.
right, say
Be
hi.
smooth, bro.
I will, bro.
Yeah.
Say hi to the channel. All right, we can go this way, shit, real quick. More. But it's downtown Grand Rapids. It's kind of late. I'm going home right now. Yeah. Daily life video, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Have a good night. How you doing, miss? You guys looking the best. Yo, bro, y'all guys is pretty as hell. Have a blessed night. Happy Saturday. Yes, yeah. And we're gonna keep it walking this way. Keep the video rocking, cause it's almost late. Caught it on night. How you guys doing, yo? Daily life video, subscribe, like the channel, baby. Happy Saturday to you guys. From Grand Rapids, with my man, a camera. Bro, you fresh. Bro, where you get that from?
I had copped it off one of my friends.
Bro, yo, keep doing that because you fresh. You probably fresher than that guy you copied.
He ain't fresher than you.
No, you, bro, fresh. Hey, daily life video,
Fresh look like.
Grand Rapids, Michigan. Subscribe, like, bro. I do this every Saturday.
Data life.
Daily life,
What?
like a daily life. I'm from West Africa. I got an accent.
Oh, day to life.
Yeah.
I got you.
Rude boy, stay up. You guys be easy.
Hey man, I actually like your accent.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. You guys be easy. I'm gonna get a little dab and I'm
Day
rock
to
on.
life.
Like a daily life.
G-Squad.